So today I would like us to look into the minor chords, right? And then I'm gonna use F sharp to demonstrate this. So every key is got three major chords and three minor chords and one diminished chord. So like I said, we're in the key of F sharp, right? So one, up to one. So this is the scale in the key of F sharp. And then first let's identify our major chords in this key. So it's gonna be first, which is a one. It's a major chord. The next major chord that you have here is a four, right? That's a B, and that's a four in F sharp. It's a major chord. The last one is C sharp, which is a five. It's still a major chord, right? And then let's identify our minor chords. Right, is this one here? You have the first minor chord in F sharp. Second one, right, is A sharp minor, which is a 3. And then the third one is this one here. It's a D minor, which is a 6. Right, so you just identify our three major chords and three minor chords, and of course you have a diminished chord. But on this video I want to focus more on the minor chords and how you can use them, right? And then also gonna demonstrate on how you can use this in a song, because you probably have been using this, been playing this, in a song, but you have not been able to identify if this is a minor chord or not. Minor chord, right? So you're probably playing this note a lot, and this is like minor, like in C sharp, because if I were to go here, it's giving me a C sharp major chord. And how do you identify a minor chord, right, in your scale? So here's the thing, and this is how maybe you can memorize or get to know how to identify a major chord from a minor chord. So let's first look at the one, right? If you look at the one, so one, obviously all the notes are made up of like three notes, right, which is a triad, using three notes to form all the chords that we're playing here. And then if I'm looking at my one here, the first one is here on F sharp, the second one is here on A sharp, the third one is here on C sharp. Right, in numbers, my thumb is on 1, 3, and then 5, right? So if you look at this, the distance between 1 and 3, the distance between the first note and the second note is 3 notes, right? So from here it's like 1, 2, 3. Then I'm playing my second note. So, and then the distance between my second note and the third note is 2 notes, right? And that makes a major chord. Now, if I was to convert this into a minor chord, the distance from my first note to the second note, it has to be 2 notes apart, right? And here it gives me an F sharp minor chord. So simply, if you wanna be able to differentiate between major chord and minor chord, so with major chord, the distance from a first note to the second note is 3 notes apart. With minor chord, the distance from a first note to the second note that you're gonna be playing in that chord is 2 if it's a minor, right? And if it's a major, this one. And we can do the same thing with C sharp. Let's just say maybe we're in the key of C sharp, right? And you have your 1 here. So in C sharp, that's your 1. So it's the same thing. So you see the distance between my first note and the second note is 3. Now, when I'm making the distance to be 2, I'm taking my middle finger, I'm taking it 1/2 step, then it's giving me a minor chord, right? And you can also hear the sound as well. The sounds, different as well. So you'll be able to differentiate that out from the sound as well. And you can do the same thing. I mean, if you go to C, right? So one minor chord. Right, let's go back to F sharp.